Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your fire weather outlook for day 1. We have a risk for isolated dry thunderstorms today that encompasses northeastern California, northwestern Nevada, eastern Oregon, much of Idaho, northwestern Wyoming, and southwestern Montana. Dry thunderstorms are thunder and lightning that occur without precipitation because the air is so dry that the precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground. So, you get left with mainly thunder and lightning. Okay? So, that's the concept of a dry thunderstorm. And if lightning hits the ground, then it could cause a fire. So, yeah. Even if it, especially on dry ground, okay, and the fire can spread quickly. So again, we have this risk for isolated dry thunderstorms today. So anyway, in synopsis, a broad mid-level trough over the northwestern U.S. is forecast to consolidate and intensify today and tonight as it impinges on the northwestern edge of a ridge of high pressure over the central U.S. The tightening height gradient will bolster flow aloft, while at the same time, a surface cold front will move in from the northwest. Monsoon moisture will support showers and thunderstorms along and ahead of the front, while localized dry and breezy conditions are possible over the southwestern U.S. So, that is your fire weather outlook for day 1. So, stay safe in these areas today, as lightning could start a fire. If it hits the ground. But if I were you, I would, gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, extra batteries, a cell phone, as well as phone chargers, and a battery-powered radio for your journey, in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice. And make sure you map out your evacuation plan, should you have to evacuate on a moment's notice. Okay? Also, please avoid outdoor burning in these areas. Okay? And one more thing. For those who smoke, please do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, whether or not they're lit. Because 1, that's littering. 2, it could cause a fire. Because just one little spark can cause a fire. Okay? And before you throw your cigarette away, make sure it's out, because otherwise the trash can could catch on fire, and fire can spread quickly. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go over to the day 1 severe weather outlook video, okay? And first off, I'm filling in for SPC convective outlooks until we get a new charger for his iPad. So anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather today, encompassing far southeastern Montana, extreme northeastern corner of Wyoming, most of South Dakota, and a tiny bit of northwest Nebraska. Cities in today's slate include Rapid City, South Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Mitchell, South Dakota, Pierce, South Dakota, and Huron, South Dakota. Okay? So, anyway, and we have a marginal today that covers eastern Montana, far northeastern Wyoming, parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, northern Nebraska, southern half of Minnesota, northern and northeastern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, northeastern Illinois, most of Michigan, most of Indiana, and western Ohio. Cities in today's marginal include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. Going to the tornado threat for today. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses far southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and the southern half of Wisconsin. Sorry, my Alex is just a bit acting up. Anyway, this 2% tornado risk area today includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Rockford, Illinois, Elgin, Illinois, and Rochester, Minnesota. Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses far southeastern Montana, extreme northeastern corner of Wyoming, most of South Dakota, and a tiny bit of northwestern Nebraska. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Rapid City, South Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Pierce, South Dakota, Huron, South Dakota, and Spearfish, South Dakota. Alright? And we have a 5% wind risk today that covers eastern Montana, parts of North Dakota, far northeastern Wyoming, parts of South Dakota, northern Nebraska, southern half of Minnesota, northern and northeastern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, northeastern Illinois, most of Indiana, western Ohio, and most of Michigan. The 5% wind risk area today includes Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. Okay? And the hail threat now. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses west central South Dakota, and extreme southeastern Montana, and extreme northeastern Wyoming. The 15% hail risk area today includes Rapid City, South Dakota, Spearfish, South Dakota, Rapid Valley, South Dakota, Sturgis, South Dakota, and Belle Fourche, South Dakota. And finally, we have a 5% hail risk today covering eastern Montana, far northeastern Wyoming, western and southern North Dakota, most of South Dakota, northwestern Nebraska, southern half of Minnesota, northern and northeastern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and extreme northwestern Indiana. The 5% hail risk today covers includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Madison, Wisconsin. So, in summary, scattered strong thunderstorm development, including a couple of evolving clusters posing a risk for strong to severe wind gusts, are possible today into tonight across parts of the northern Great Plains into the Midwest and Great Lakes region. So, that is your day 1 severe weather outlook. And again, I am filling in for SPC convective outlooks for the severe weather portion. Okay? For the time being until he gets a new phone, until he gets a new charger for his iPad, as his sister stole it. So, anyway, I'm not filling in for him for the fire weather portion, as he doesn't do it, but I am filling in for him for the severe weather portion. So, stay safe in the affected areas today, even the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms. And my day 2 outlook will come out this afternoon. My day 2 severe weather outlook, I should say, will come out this afternoon, where I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks. Take care.